Yes. Okay, yes. So before starting a session, let's join for our prayer. Yes, children, join your palm, close your eyes. Yes. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guru Namaha. Okay, yes, I hope you completed your first session. We are come to the second session of today's class. Yes, okay, yes. So, what is today's date, children? What is today's date? Can I get the answers in the chat box? What is today's date? What is this? You completed your first session and still you're not expressing the answers in the chat box. Yes, very good, Sadhana. Superb, superb. What about others? Yes, Sai Lakshmi. Very good, Sai Lakshmi. Yes, today's date is 8 October 2020. The 10 denotes the 10th month of the year, which is the October month. Very good. Ojasvi, superb, superb. Yes, Jay, superb. Yes, we want your answer, children. This shows how far you are responding and how far you are listening. So that is the reason we are asking. Okay, yes. So today's date is 8. Wow, sister's birthday, Abhinav's sister's birthday. Very good. I hope you'll have a great birthday party today at home, right? Good. Okay, so what is today's day, children? Thursday. Thursday. So can we spell out the spelling for Thursday? Thursday. Thursday. Okay, yes. Now let's step into today's class. Yes, over to Savitri ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Sangeeta ma'am. Yes, children, today we are going to see computer science. Okay. Yes, so in first lesson we learned what is a computer. Can you see my screen? Just one moment. Yes, yes. Hope you can see my screen. So in first lesson we saw about what is a computer, right? And in second lesson we saw uses of computer and how smart it is, how why it is called as a smart machine. So we learned many things about computer. And in this lesson, lesson 3, we are going to learn about parts of a computer. Lesson 3, parts of a computer. Before we are getting into the lesson, I'm going to ask you to do some actions. Are you ready? Yes. Now, touch your head. Touch your head. Touch your hand. Touch your knees. Touch your knees. Touch your toes. Hope you all are doing, I believe. Following me? Yes. Now touch your nose. Nandana, yes, very good. Touch your mouth. Close your eyes. Close your ears. Okay. Now let's stop with this activity. What you were doing? What you were doing till now? You are doing something, right? You are touching. What you are doing? Can I get it in chat box? You are doing some actions, right? You are doing some actions. So what you are doing? Following instructions. Sai Lakshmi, very good. You are correctly following the instructions, whatever I did, whatever I asked you to do, right? Yes, actions. Very good. You are doing some actions. What actions you are doing? What action? Touching body parts. Very good. So in our body, we have different parts, right? We have different parts like eyes, nose, mouth, then head, knees. Likewise, we are having different parts in our body, and each part is functioning in different way. Am I right? Am I right? Each and every part of our body is functioning in different way. Like eyes, with eyes what we are doing, we are seeing everything, right? With the nose we are smelling and breathing, right? With the hands we are doing many works, writing and taking something, keeping down something, and we are scratching, we are drawing, coloring. Yes, we are doing many works with the hands, and walking with the legs, running. Yes, with the knees. The knees is helping us to bend our legs, right? So each and every small part of our body is functioning with different way. Okay. If your nose is totally blocked, whether you will be comfortable, whether you can do all the works comfortably, yes or no? No. If one part of our body is having any small issue, it will be very difficult for us, right? Yes. So, likewise, today we are going to see parts of a computer. So, computer is also having different parts, and each part of a computer is functioning in different way. We are going to see deep into it one by one. So, now listen carefully. So, what we are going to learn about, we are going to learn, just one more, different parts of a computer. In this lesson, we are going to learn different parts of a computer, functions of different parts of a computer. So I told you, right, each and every part is functioning in different way. So we are going to see that one by one. Yes, Krishu, very good. You are started to answer before itself, but we will see one by one, okay? Yes. Yes. Task. So what is the task today? Let's see. A computer has different parts. These parts work together to make the computer work. So already I told about this, right? Even we have different parts in our body, and even if one part is not functioning properly, we will be very much uncomfortable, right? Likewise, the computer parts of computer also work together to make the computer to work properly. Okay, without one part also we can't function it. Let us see one by one deep into it. Okay, so let us find out the function of each part of computer. That's what we are going to learn from this lesson 3. Yes, children? Okay. Now, actually we saw parts of our body now, right? So likewise we are going to see parts of plant now. So the first one, let's see. Root, stem, leaf, plant, and then fruit. So these are the important parts of plant. So how does it function? Plants also, each and every part of the plant is functioning in different way. Actually, when you are going to higher classes, you will be learning deep into it. I will just say very basic. Okay. Root. The root is helping to hold the plant. Without root, a plant can't stand like this. Okay. And we have colorful flowers and how it is coming. What is the role of leaf in it? So each and everything you will be learning when you are going to higher classes. Okay. Now let's move on to next Example, parts of a car. Hope your boys will enjoy this, right? Already you know most of the parts, but still let us see a quick this thing in it. Yes, sir. So we will see from down part. See here, tires. Tires. Here. These are the tires.
Car parts
Yes, Kanna.
wheels, mirror,
Wheels.
door,
Door.
door.
Yes, very good, Kanna. Very good. Darshan, very good. So in car also we have different parts are there, and we are going to learn that hubcaps. Yes, sir. See here we can see a shield like thing inside that tire, right? That we will call it as hubcaps. And then we will go from back. This is brake light. This is brake light. See, when your daddy wants to press the brake, backside car and other two-wheelers will be coming, right? So it will be indicating through this brake light, backlight, okay? That is called brake light. It will be on. When we are pressing the brake, this light, backlight will be on. That is otherwise called brake light. And here we have trunk, trunk. And here we have antenna, antenna. See, okay, why we are using antenna in car? In some cars we will be having antenna, in some cars we will not be having antenna. Why we are using antenna? Can anyone say?
FM radio, ma'am.
FM radio, very good. And for otherwise actually, Kanna, yes, when we are moving in the car, when we are traveling in the car for long distance or for even short distance, we will be listening to music, right? Battery low. No, Kanna, antenna is not connected for that. For getting signal, antenna we are using antenna to get signal, okay? Yes, sir. So for listening to FM radio, this antenna is used, and otherwise we can, it will be used to show GPS. Yes, Kanna, Niralya, tell me.
Ma'am, wire.
Wire, which wire, Kanna?
A car will use wires for
No, Kanna, no way wire. Wire inside engine, from that light inside wires will be connected, but outside we can't see that, okay? From battery and all wires will be there, it will be inside, it will be under that car. Yes, Kanna? Actually your voice is not audible properly, ma. Can you come into the chat box? Yes, sir. So for this purpose we are using antenna, and here we have roof, and this is the window for the car, and here windshield, we have windshield. And another one part is missing here in the car. On the windshield we will be having something else. What is it? What is it?
come to window to car.
Kana, and water. Water will be there. Sai Lakshmi, very good. Wipers. We will be having wipers, right, on this windshield. For what we are using? For what we are using wipers? If it is raining, it will not be clear for the driver to drive, right? So it will clean the water. Handle. Yes, Kanna, yes, many more parts are there. We are just going to see basic parts. Yes, here it is hood. Front side we will call it as hood. And here it is headlight. And this is handle to open the door. And this is the door. Okay. Yes. So we are running out of time. Let's move on to computer and computer parts. So you have learned that a plant has different parts. So now we will learn different parts of plants and each part performs a specific function. Yes. So in same way, a computer is also made up of different parts. So each part of a computer performs a specific function. What we are going to see now. Okay. Now here. Let's see the first important part of computer. It is CPU. CPU. Actually, that's abbreviation is Central Processing Unit. So at the end of this class, we will be showing lively. So you will be getting ready to see that. Okay. Okay. So this is the main part of the computer. Central Processing Unit. We will be going deep into it. First, I will say the names of the parts. Okay. And here it is keyboard. And this is mouse. And here it is monitor. So these four are main parts of computer without which we can't work in computer. And other additional parts are headphones, printer and speaker. So we just saw the pictures and names of the parts. Let's go deep into it. So the first one, Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the main part of a computer. It is like the engine in a car. It controls all the work done by the computer. So what here it is said is like how without engine a car can't move, right? Likewise, without a CPU, we can't work in the computer. I'll say another one example. Okay, so in our part of our body, from where we are getting all the control to work, how we are touching, how we are taking, how we are seeing, how we are listening, from where we are getting that command to do it. Anybody knows? From where we are getting the command to do all the works. Yes, it is from CPU for computer, but I am asking for ourselves, human body. From where we are getting that control command to do all the works. Brain, Nandana, very good, brain. So brain only says everything to us to do. Okay, so every control, each and every control we are getting it from brain. Okay, so in higher classes actually you will be learning more about it. So this is the thing. So it is a brain of the computer. To work in computer, just the important part, which is the first important part is CPU, Central Processing Unit. And the CPU has on and off button. See here it is. So at end of the class, we will be showing it again lively. Okay. So see here. It is on and off button. And it will be having this like a box like type. No. It is having a shield like thing to cover, to protect itself, because inside many wires and these things will be there to connecting with the monitor and keyboard and mouse. To protect itself, that the cover is there. CPU will be having a big cover. Okay, now next we will move on to monitor. The screen of a computer is called a monitor. We can see what we type or draw on the monitor. It has an on and off button. So most of you will be listening this online class through computer, right? So how you are seeing? Through monitor only, right? So without monitor, we can't work in computer. Like by CPU, even if CPU is there, you must have monitor also. Otherwise, you can't see your output, what you are doing. Okay, so monitor is also an important part of computer, and it also having on and off button. Now we will move on to keyboard. Yes, keyboard is used to tell the computer what we want it to do. So we will be asking some questions, or we will be typing something, or we will be drawing something. So from where you are giving this command? Through keyboard, right? And this keyboard will be having all the alphabet and number keys. So you can type words by pressing correct alphabets for correct spelling. If you want a correct spelling, you can type it. So the keyboard is also connected to the CPU, and monitor is also connected to the CPU. From CPU only we are getting everything, right? So now let's move on to mouse. So cute, na? See this mouse. So why we are calling this as mouse? Yes, Kanna? Actually, if you unmute, my dears, it is not audible. Okay, so better come into chat box. Yes, sir. See, mouse is the pointing device. Can you see this point? I'm actually sharing from computer only. Can you see my point here? I'm just pointing out this mouse. Yes, so it is helpful to pointing device. Okay, so it helps to point different things on a computer. It has two buttons on the wheel. So it has two buttons. One is left click and another one is right click, and a wheel in the center. We will be using that wheel to scroll down or scroll up. So do you know why it is called a mouse? A computer mouse looks like a real mouse. Yes? Yes? No? Yes? Okay. It has that it is looking like a tail of a mouse, right? So that we are calling it as mouse, and we are making it to run here and there. Yes? We are moving that, right? When we are moving only, we will be able to point, right? So we are moving it like a mouse. Whether mouse will be standing in one place? No, it will be always moving, right? Yes, so it's called a mouse. So let's move on to next additional parts of a computer, and it's over to Sangeetamam. Sangeetamam, please continue.
Children, so far we have learnt about the four main parts of the computer. And what are they? Can I get the answers in the chat box? What are the four main parts of the computer? Yes. Lohit of one here, kindly mute yourself, Kanna. Yes, very good, superb. So it is CPU, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. So far we have learned the four main parts of the computer. Now we are moving to the additional parts of the computer. So a computer system can have many additional parts. Many additional parts it can attach to it, but some of them are speakers, yes, printers, microphones, and headphones. Very good. And yes, as you have already learned that each and every part of the computer have a specific functions, right? A monitor will show you the display, what you do on the screen, right? Like yes, webcam also very good. So whatever you do on screen, you draw, or you on your camera, you display things, you see your PPTs or PowerPoints, anything, you see your videos, anything will be visible on the monitor. So that is the specific function of that particular part of the computer. That is, a monitor specific function is to display things on the screen. Likewise, each and every part of the computer has specific functions. CPU will store a lot of information to it. Mouse will point out the device, so that is the specific work. Keyboard is the one which contains many keys with a mixture of alphabets and numbers, right? So this is all their specific function. And apart from these main four parts of the computer, you can attach as many as to the computer. That is, these are called as additional parts. Here we have given some examples like printers. Yes, you know, printers is not necessary, but additionally you can attach. When you want to take a printout, you can attach, but not normally we have it at home, right? Okay, speakers, yes, speakers also you can attach to it when you want to listen to a music, or when you go for online class, instead of using an headphones for both your mom and for you, if it is needed to be listened, then that you can use your speakers. Then with the microphones and headphones, yes, if it is one to one, we can use the headphones, right, which will not be a disturbance for the others. So these are the additional parts. So far we have learned the recap of the four main parts of the computer. What are they, children? Monitor, CPU box. CPU means, what is the abbreviation for the CPU? Central Processing Unit. What is CPU? Central Processing Unit. Then keyboard. Then comes the mouse. So these four are the main parts of the computer. Now let's move on to the classwork notes of the lesson 3 parts of the computer. Okay. Yes. Now, once it is been uploaded in the MBM app, we'll just put a reminder in the WhatsApp group so that you can go ahead and have a check over this. Okay, once it has been uploaded, kindly complete this in the classwork note of the computer book. Then once you complete it, kindly take a snapshot of it and submit in the Google respective classroom. Okay, yes. The first one, Roman number 1, fill in the blanks with the help of the given words. Yes, children, you can see down you have a help box. You all know help box, right? Under the help box, inside the help box, you have 5 words. Inside the help box, you have 5 words. Let us go ahead and read those. Okay, first one, keys, keyboard, mouse, CPU, which we call it a central processing unit. Then comes the monitor. Okay, below the help box, there are 5 sentences given with the blanks. We have to complete the blanks using the help box. Okay, let's move ahead and read the first one. A dash has 2 buttons. Wow, very good, Nandana. Superb. Before I complete the sentence, you are giving me the answer. This shows how far you are very thorough with the parts of the computer. Good children. Very good. Meenakshi, I'm getting answer. Very good. Yes, so a mouse has 2 buttons and a wheel, right? So it has 2 buttons. So MOUSE, mouse. A mouse has 2 buttons. Very good. Superb, Sai Lakshmi. Let's move on to the second one. Wow, very good, Krisha. A dash has many keys. Which part of the computer has many keys, children? Wow, very good. It's a keyboard. A keyboard has many keys. KEYBOARD, keyboard. Very good. Then let's move on to the third one. The dash can store lot of information. So which part of the computer stores lot of information? CPU. Wow, very good. It's a central processing unit. Good. So the CPU can store a lot of information. Very good. Now let's move on to the fourth one. A dash looks like a television screen. Yes, it's a monitor. Very good. The spelling of the monitor is MONITOR. I can see some of you have not written TOR. You're typing as TER. No, it is TOR. Kindly change it. The spelling of monitor is MONITOR. Okay, a monitor looks like a television screen. Good. Then we come to the last one. The buttons on a keyboard are called, yes. Wow, very good, children. Keys. Wow, superb. Keys. KEYS. So the buttons on keyboard are called keys. Very good. Now we have completed with the Roman number 1. We are moving to the Roman number 2. Okay, so you can see here, unjumble the words to find out the names of the computer parts. So far we have learned the parts of the computer. So what they have done here below, they have jumbled each and every word. We have to arrange the word. Okay, let's move on to it. Okay, the first one. ONIMTRO. What is that, children? Wow, it's a monitor. Very good, very good. Superb, superb. Yes, I'm getting the answer. MONITOR. Monitor. Good, good. Keep it up. Next one. CUPBOX. What is that? Cup box? Is there any part of the computer called cup box? No, right? So what we call it as? CPU box. Very good. Let's move on to the next one. What is this? EYKBAROD. Yes, it's a keyboard. 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 Okay, superb, superb. Next, the fourth one. What is that, children? OUMES. Yes, it's a mouse. Very good. MOUSE. Mouse. Okay, the last one. What is that? CROMUTE. Yes, it's all about computer. COMPUTER. Very good, children. So we have completed the Roman number 2. Now let's move on to the Roman number 3. Yes, the Roman number 3 is all about labeling the computer parts, which is given below. So we all know the 4 main parts of the computer, right? Okay, see the rectangle shaped one, which is black in color, is called as CPU, the central processing unit. Yes, and below it you have a mouse shaped one. What is that called? Mouse. 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 Yes. Then again you have a rectangle shaped one with contained or much of keys, which is called a keyboard. Yes. Next you can see like a television screen. We call that as monitor. We call that as monitor. MONITOR. Parents make a change. It is TOR. It is not TER. It is TOR. Okay, the spelling of monitor is TOR. Okay, now we have come to the last one, the Roman number 4. Match the computer parts with their functions. So you all learned here so far the 4 main parts of the computer and their specific functions, right? So now we are going to match those. Okay, first one is keyboard. Keyboard. Now let's move on to the column B and read all the answer so that it will be very easy for us to match the correct one. It helps to point things on the screen. It shows what you draw or type on the computer. It is the brain of the computer. It helps to type numbers and keys. So can I get the answers in the chat box? What will be the answer for keyboard? Yes, it is number 4. Keyboard helps to type numbers and letters. Very good, very good. Now let's move on to the second one, CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer, so that stores lot and lot of information, right? Okay, next comes the mouse. So mouse helps to point things on the screen, which is number 1. Okay, the last one, monitor. Okay, monitor is number 2. Monitor shows what you draw or type on the computer. Wow, very good, children, very good. This shows you are so thorough with the parts of the computer. Yes, so once it has been uploaded in the MBM app, we'll just give a reminder in a WhatsApp group. You can have a check over it and complete the classwork notes in the computer classwork. Now, what we are going to do is, so we are going to unmute our video, not your video. Listen, ma'am is going to unmute the video and show the CPU for it. CPU for you all. So kindly look. So this is a yes. Yes, I hope now it is visible. It's very clear in picture. This is a CPU, which we call it a central processing unit. No, ma'am, we can all visible. Yes, parents, I hope now it is visible for you all. Yes, so this is a CPU, which is a central processing unit, and this is the brain of the computer, and this is the one which stores lot and lot of information. And you can see here on and off button, that red, you can see that red color, right? Red color light. This is called this is the on and off button. Okay, and the CPU contains many wires. You can see the monitor wire has been connected to CPU, the keyboard wire is connected to the CPU, the mouse wire is connected to the CPU.
Ma'am, our video is stuck.
Yes, Kana, one moment.
Okay.
Now I hope you can see the video. Now we are coming to the keyboard. Yes, and I think you can see your video now. Yes, now we have come to keyboard. See, keyboard is also in rectangle in shape. It contains more and more of keys with alphabets and numbers. With alphabets and numbers. Yes. It's not visible. Ma'am, it is visible. We can see over it. It is in Savitri N's ID. Yes, you can click onto that and see that video. You can click onto it and see that video clearly. If you want, you can maximize it. Yes, now we are completed with the CPU and we have seen with your keyboard. And let's move on with the mouse. See, children, this is a mouse. Why we call it as mouse? Because it is in the shape of a. So it is in the shape of a mouse. And you can see there are two buttons over here. The left hand side button and the right hand side button. And in the center you have a wheel. And you can see there is a wire.
Ma'am, your video is stucking, ma'am.
Video is getting stuck. Now, Kana, now.
This is not coming, ma'am.
Then see, from our side the video has been very clear because we have logged in two devices. We are able to see. Yes, we have logged in three devices actually, so we are able to see clear. So kindly check your network. Kindly check your network from your side. Okay.
Hello,
Yes,
video வரல.
மேம் உங்க சைடுல இருந்து கொஞ்சம் பாருங்க மேம். 3 கேஜெட்ஸ்ல லாகின் பண்ணிருக்கோம். எங்களுக்கு கிளியரா இருக்கு.
இங்க வீடியோ வரல. எஸ்ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு அப்ப உங்க இனிஷியல் தான் வருது.
That is what, ma'am. Check your network from your side, ma'am, because from 3 gadgets we have been logged in. We are able to view the video from 3 gadgets. உங்களோட network
உங்க இனிஷியல் மட்டும் தான் வருது.
அது மேம் அதுதான் எங்க சைடுல வீடியோ தெரியுது மேம். சாவித்ரின்ற ஐடியில பாருங்க மேம். சாவித்ரின்ற ஐடியில வீடியோ பாருங்க மேம். Ma'am, just yes, see children, you have a monitor over there which looks like a television screen. Yes, I hope everyone can visible now. See, there is an on and off button in the monitor screen also, right? Okay. Yes, sir. We'll just have a quick recap for the other live thing because as you said there was not the video is not visible. Ma'am, now mostly it is being visible. So can you? Yes, sir. So yes, children, you can see the CPU. Yes, you can see the CPU. Then it is a keyboard. What we are showing it now is a keyboard. Then let's move on to the mouse. Yes, this is a mouse. And the last main part of the computer is monitor. So these 4 are the main parts of the computer. Okay, so now you can unmute yourself and show your video.
Only video.
Only the video. Only you unmute your video. And now when you unmute your video, you can see yourself. You can see yourself. Yes? When you unmute